Oh, too far. In that person's yard.
Yeah, but they show you YouTube with that.
Why do you always say that when I'm recording something?
Guys, you're stuck with a little toy when it's, what, for 5-year-olds?
I don't know.
Wow, you recorded the other two. The fucking Cinnamon Challenge and Sour Patch Kid Challenge.
I know, when I'm recording, don't tell me to put it on YouTube, because when I record something, I usually do put it on YouTube.
Oh, it's fucking cold out here, kids. What is it? What are you gonna do if you break one of the rides? That bitch keeps flying.
Come closer, so I can see it on my camera. I'm taping.
Oh, shit. Hey, little parent fucker, fly. You want my mama?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Again. That sucks.